Namaste, this is Kathleen Jansen, coming to you from Apalachicola. I want to teach a foundation pose and a series. And it's a simple series, 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how slow or fast you go with everything. Quickly take a look at my chart here. We're calling it Chakra, Vakasana, and it's a series. And we talked about our foundation of grounding and lengthening already. And our foundation pose will be table first, then the cow, the cat, and the child. And you'll be repeating that. Table pose, cow pose, cat pose, child pose. Table pose, cow pose, cat pose, child pose. You'll be repeating this over and over again in what's called vinyasa style, which is a flowing movement with breath. It needs to be sort of seamless from transition to transition to transition. And that way the breath, the movement, and everything is in unison. And the body is in unison, the mind's in unison, and everything feels in balance and peaceful. Yoga's not meant to be hard or challenging. It's meant to feel effortless. And once you know what you're doing, then it can be. So we talked about the spine. The energy in the spine is the prana that you're breathing through in these postures. And again, I'll show a little alternative if you have really bad knees and you cannot at all get on your knees for table. I totally get that. I'll show a little variation on the chair real quick at the end. And table pose, knees under hips, hands, wrists, shoulders stacked. Inhale, lift the heart. Full breath, 3 counts. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the tail, ground down through the knees, and look at your belly button as you exhale. And then you're going to drop down to child's pose just for a moment, stretch it out. Inhale again as you lift up. Okay, shoulders are stacked. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Open the chest, open the collarbones. Exhale, 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 round. And then down, extend. You want a big exhale and a slow, long inhale. It might take you a little bit of time to get that inhale to lengthen. And then as you round down, this navel center is pulling through as you're pressing down. Then as you come down, your tailbone drops and you stretch back through. You can do wider knees and round the spine, drop the chin. Inhale, arch. Exhale, and drop. At any point, you can pause and then do another round.